To enable billing codes, in PrintAnyWay, choose the P logo in the top left corner. Scroll down to General Settings. Scroll down to Billing Codes. Check the first three boxes. The fourth box, Replace Billing Codes for Follow User Jobs, means any job that is held in the Follow User queue when released will count against the billing code that is logged in, even if it originally was a different billing code. I would not recommend this in most setups. Then scroll down and choose Save. Let's go up and choose Tables. Then let's select Users. I've created a User 1 and User 2 for this demonstration. Choose Back, and then let's go to Billing Codes. Let's choose New Billing Code. Billing codes have three fields: the code itself, description, like a person's name or what to build towards, and type. This can be a company name or essentially a group. Here I'm just making 4 or 5 accounts for demonstration purposes. Now that we have several types made, we can just choose from the drop-down menu and select from any of the ones we've already made. Let's pull up the remote control panel and see how to use billing codes. Let's choose the on-screen keyboard. I'm starting with logging in as user 1 and billing code 123. You can see user 1 is logged in. Now let's make a copy. I am doing this remotely and do not have a document in the document feeder, so I will just use the predefined 8.5 by 11. Let's go to the PrintAnyWay app and see our usage information. We can see user 1 and the billing code, and our copy was counted as a color copy. Let's log out and then log back in as user 2. And billing code 123. Let's make another copy. Let's go to the PrintAnyWay app and see our usage information. You can see we're logged in as user 2 with the billing code of 123 and again one color copy. Let's log out. Let's go back to PrintAnyWay and create a price list. Choose Tables, then Price Lists. Then choose New Price List. Price lists allow us to set the cost of each captured print, copy, scan, and fax. This allows us to not only track usage, but also generate a report with the amount to charge back to the customer. First, we need a name in the description. I'm going to go ahead and type in price. Now, let's set the black price to 2 cents. Let's set color to 7 cents. And sheet price to half a penny. Sheet is the cost of the paper. Half a penny is the industry standard. Choose OK. Let's go back to Devices, select our device, and in Price List, change it from None to the price list that we named. Let's open the remote control panel again and log in as user 1. This time we will use the billing code 234. And we'll make another copy again. Let's go to the PrintAnyWay app and see our usage information. Here we have user 1, but billing code 234. And notice user 1 has two color counts, one from billing code 123 and one from billing code 234. Let's log out and let's log back in with a new billing code. Let's go back to PrintAnyWay. We need to poll the device to get an accurate read. Normally, polling is set in a schedule. There is a video going over setting up schedules. Let's choose devices, and then polling all devices. Now our counts are up to date. Let's go back and choose reports, then printed reports. Here we have reports for accounting per billing code. I'm going to choose jobs per billing code, select billing code, and apply the filter. As you can see, we have the two copies with job names and more information on the pages per job, the color, how many sheets, and if it's a single-side or two-sided job. Also notice there's no cost associated with this job because the job was initiated before the pricing was put in place. Let's select billing code 234 and choose Apply Filters. Here you can see a cost involved that is 7.5 cents for the one job that was done with billing code 234. Let's jump ahead to billing code 567 where we see the same thing as 234. Let's take a look at totals per billing code. Let's apply the filter and generate the report. Also note scans and faxes are unchecked by default in the billing code reports. Here you can see we have all three billing codes that we actually tested, but if you remember we actually created 4 or 5 of them. We can manually export these reports to an Excel, PDF, or Word document. Let's generate a total per billing code type. I want you to notice how all of the types are grouped together, not the user code or description. Since we're here, let's go ahead and change that PrintAnyWay logo. Drop down the report, click on the PrintAnyWay logo, choose Entity, down by Logo hit Change, pick the image you want to use, save Entity, let's choose Tables, Reports, Printed Reports. Now let's apply the filters and generate a report. Notice the PrintAnyWay logo is gone. Here's the total billing code report again with the JustTech logo. I'm going to run the jobs per billing code report one more time without specifying a billing code so you can see what it looks like for all the billing codes at one time. And here it is again for one specified billing code. To find out more about reporting, see our reports video where we deep dive into all the options and settings.